Hi, I'm the Introverted Affiliate, and today I will show you the highest paying survey app I have found to make money online. So far this year, I made over $5,000 using this app. And this is not like the boring survey sites where you have to pre-qualify to take surveys. These are real surveys that pay you in real cash. And this is a great way to make some money if you are a student or you are retired or if you quit or lost your job and need extra income. Best of all, if you have an introverted personality like me and you prefer not to talk to customers, then this is for you. When I had to do customer service jobs, I hated my life, and I was always stressed out being forced to talk to people because those jobs were not a good match for my personality. So I'm very glad I found out about this app because it has helped me survive after quitting my last job. My channel is about making money online the easy way, and you will complete these surveys online, but to be upfront and honest, it is not totally online because you will have to go in person to different stores to do these kinds of surveys. That is actually a good thing though, because sitting at the computer all day for hours filling out surveys just to earn some points or gift cards can be super boring, and I know because I used to do that when I was in college in the computer lab between classes. The kinds of surveys I have been doing to make over $5,000 are store merchandising surveys, and the app is called Survey Merchandiser, which you can access from the link below in the description. The way this app works is it will automatically send you survey job offers, and you get to choose whether you want to do them or not. When you choose to accept an offer, you will be given the instructions for how to complete the survey, and then usually you are assigned a start time for when you will begin the survey. Most of the surveys I have done involved resetting merchandise and then taking before and after pictures. The surveys I have done so far have been at Walmart, Sam's Club, and Schnucks. One example I've done lately was at Walmart, where I stocked the Casio calculators in the back to school section, and that was easy because all I had to do was go get the missing calculators from the stationery section and move them to fill the empty spots, and then take pictures of the shelves. I made most of my money so far working at different Walmarts because they are doing store resets this year. So I've been working overnight with remodel teams by helping reset the shelves and merchandise. What I like about this app is I can choose when I want to do the surveys, and if I choose not to do them, there will always be more available later. This gives me the freedom to choose my schedule and work when I want to, unlike at a regular job where someone else chooses my hours and I have to go whether I feel like it or not. I missed out on a lot of holidays and family vacations because I had jobs where I had to be there when they wanted me there. I had to go to interviews, get judged by managers, and take tests to get these jobs too. And the great thing about this app is you can skip all of that and start making money right away. The survey offers you get will depend on where you live, and you can request a travel bonus if the store is far away from you. Like I drove to a store that was over an hour away and I got a travel bonus of $25 to go there. Also, if the distance is 3 hours away or more, you can sometimes get a free hotel room while completing the surveys if the project will take several days. So if you need a reliable way to make money fast, this is one of the best ways I have found so far. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you again when I find more of the easy ways to make money online.